Tell me honestly, how many times you are paying for Adobe because of there is no proper alternative? Well, that's end today. Hey, my name is Shubham. I'm a Canva Verified Expert. So today I am bringing one of the biggest update in the design world for you. Canva recently announced something unbelievable. Affinity is now free forever. Yes, you heard me right. No subscription, no payment, no cash. All three Affinity apps now completely free for everyone. Honestly, this is a massive shift for designers, creators, or literally anyone who's working with visuals. Why this is a big deal? So, the reality is simple. Most people stayed with Adobe not out of love, because they feel helplessness. There is no free alternative which will fulfill the demand of a designer or a creative person. So eventually they need to buy the subscription of Adobe, but not now. But now you get advanced vector design, high-level photo editing, layout design for print, raster and vector workflow, free creative control without spending a single rupee. All just free. What this means for you? So now you can cancel your very expensive subscription you can't afford. You can also learn industry level design without any barrier. You can also create client works, branding, illustration, project, magazine and everything totally free inside the Affinity. What I am bringing for you. So now in this particular channel, I will starting a new series, Affinity for Everyone, where I will teach you how you can utilize the Affinity and create pro level design with fun also. So I'll bringing how to use Affinity with confidentially, how to switch from Adobe to Canva, and how you can create pro level designs, how you can build your creative workflow for free, how you can combine Affinity plus Canva with insane results. Already know I explain things very clearly, simple and beginner friendly. So if you haven't touched Affinity anytime, by watching our videos and the tutorials, you will feel confidence from the day one. First video of the series will drop soon. So if you want to break the freedom of the expensive tool and want to learn something creative stuff, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to get notified.